Everyone talks about the purchase price of owning a helicopter, but almost no one tells you about the $250,000 surprise waiting at 2,200 hours. The Robinson R44. Is it the smartest entry into personal helicopter ownership, or a financial trap disguised as affordability? We're breaking down the real-world performance, what it's actually like to fly this machine, and, most importantly, the true cost of ownership that catches even experienced pilots off guard. The Robinson R44 isn't just another helicopter. It's the most successful light helicopter ever built. Since 1992, over 6,400 of these machines have been delivered worldwide, making it the undisputed king of personal helicopter ownership. Designed by Robinson Helicopter Company, the R44 has become the industry standard for flight training, private tours, search and rescue, and wealthy travelers who refuse to sit in traffic. The lineup includes several variants. The Raven Y with its carbureted engine, the more powerful fuel-injected Raven 2, the Clipper models for water operations, and the training-focused Cadet. Each serves a slightly different mission, but they all share one critical advantage: they're affordable. At least, that's what they want you to believe. This 4-seat, piston-powered machine measures just under 30 feet long with a 33-foot rotor diameter. It's compact, nimble, and deceptively simple. The two-bladed rotor system is optimized for reduced noise, while hydraulically boosted controls make it surprisingly easy to fly. But don't let that fool you. This helicopter demands respect. Under the sleek aluminum monocoque fuselage beats the heart of the R44, a Lycoming piston engine that tells you everything about this helicopter's character. The Raven I uses a carbureted O540 producing 205 horsepower, while the Raven 2 upgrades to a fuel-injected IO540 delivering 245 horsepower at takeoff. The Cadet, designed for training, dials it back to 185 horses. What does this mean in the real world? The R44 cruises at around 105 to 113 knots. That's roughly 120 to 130 miles per hour for those keeping score. Maximum speed tops out at 130 knots, though you'll rarely push it there. Range sits at 300 nautical miles for the Raven Y, extending to 350 on the Raven 2 with full tanks. That's roughly 3 hours of flight time before you're looking for fuel. What's it actually like to fly the R44? You slide into the left seat, collective in your left hand, cyclic in your right, pedals at your feet. The engine roars to life, and those rotor blades start their sweep overhead. Within seconds, you realize something. This helicopter responds instantly. Maybe too instantly. In cruise flight, the R44 shines. It tracks straight, handles turbulence well, and the visibility is spectacular. That greenhouse cabin with bubble doors, photographers and filmmakers absolutely love it. You get camera angles that corporate helicopters can't match. But here's what they don't advertise: vibration. You'll feel the entire airframe humming. It's not unbearable, but if you're used to smooth turbine helicopters, you will definitely notice. Now, the serious part. The R44 is weight-sensitive and dangerously low-G sensitive. Push the nose over too aggressively at high speed, and you create a low-G condition. The rotor blade can actually strike the tail boom. They call it mast bumping. It's catastrophic, and it's fatal. This isn't a scare tactic. It's why the FAA requires special training for every Robinson pilot. You'll learn energy management. You'll respect the limits. Because in this helicopter, ignorance isn't just expensive, it's deadly. Now, we arrive at the moment of truth. The numbers that separate dreamers from owners. Purchase price. A new R44 Raven Y starts at $527,000. The Raven 2 will set you back $615,500. Dealers typically discount 3 to 4% off list, so you're realistically looking at $570,000 to $590,000 for a factory fresh machine. Used market? Anywhere from $140,000 to $400,000, depending on airframe hours and overhaul status. Sounds like a bargain until you understand what overhaul status actually means. Let me introduce you to the 2,200-hour overhaul. This is mandatory. It is non-negotiable. At 2,200 flight hours or 12 years, whichever comes first, your R44 undergoes a complete teardown and rebuild. And here's the number they don't put in bold letters. Raven I overhaul. $285,000 to $300,000. Let that sink in. The breakdown. Engine overhaul through Lycoming Exchange is $71,700. The airframe overhaul parts kit is $185,500. Labor at 225 man-hours is approximately $28,125. You are essentially buying half a helicopter again. The Raven II, even worse, around $338,000. This means you need to set aside $131 per flight hour for the Raven Y or $140 per hour for the Raven II, just as an overhaul reserve. And if you don't reach 2,200 hours in 12 years, the 12-year inspection still costs you around $40,000. Insurance. For a pilot with 200-plus helicopter hours and a clean record, it runs $12,858 annually for the Raven Y and $14,135 for the Raven II. Hull coverage isn't optional. No bank will finance without it. And self-insuring a $500,000 aircraft is financial recklessness. Operating costs. Fuel burn averages 15 gallons per hour. At $6 per gallon for AVGAS, that's $90 to $100 per hour just in fuel. Add oil, periodic inspections, and unscheduled maintenance, and you're at about $150 to $153 per hour in direct costs. Total comprehensive operating cost, $308 to $321 per flight hour. That includes insurance, overhaul reserve, fuel, oil, and maintenance. Fly 500 hours per year, a typical business use scenario, and you're spending $154,000 to $160,000 annually just to operate the machine. And we haven't even discussed hangar fees yet. Hangar or tie-down storage adds another $1,200 to $9,600 per year, depending on location and whether you want heated space. Landing fees, minor repairs, cleaning supplies, headset batteries. These small expenses compound quickly. The truth? If you fly less than 100 hours per year, every hour costs you substantially more. The fixed costs don't care if the helicopter sits idle. Here's another expense that surprises many buyers. The training requirement. The R44 operates under Special Federal Aviation Regulation 73, which mandates specific Robinson-focused training. You'll need a minimum of 5 hours of flight instruction specifically in the R44, plus 10 hours of ground school covering energy management, low rotor RPM, blade stall, and the infamous mast bumping scenarios. Professional type rating courses run approximately $4,000 to $10,000. If you're starting from zero helicopter experience, earning your private pilot helicopter license requires about 45 flight hours minimum. Total cost, zero to licensed, is around $38,000 to $50,000. This isn't a weekend course. Budget 3 to 6 months of dedicated training if you're serious. Let's address the elephant in the hangar. The R44's safety reputation. Robinson helicopters have been involved in accidents, but here's the critical context. The vast majority occurred due to pilot error, not mechanical failure. The R44's mechanical reliability is actually exceptional. The safety concern isn't the engineering, it's the pilot. The R44's lightweight and responsive controls reward precision and punish complacency. The Robinson R44 is not the helicopter the Instagram post suggested. It's not a luxury toy you casually add to your garage. It's a serious machine requiring serious commitment. Financial, educational, and operational. At $308 to $321 per flight hour all in, it is the most economical path to personal helicopter ownership. But make no mistake, this helicopter will humble you. It will demand your attention, your respect, and your wallet's loyalty every single flight hour. The purchase price is just the entry fee. The real cost is measured in discipline, training, and ongoing commitment to proficiency. Is the Robinson R44 the best personal helicopter you can buy? For most people, absolutely not. For the right pilot with the right mission and the right budget, it's the only rational choice. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below if you own an R44, or if you have questions we didn't cover. And remember, the sky isn't the limit when you know the real numbers.